Okay, so now I think now we are live again. So please tell me like sound and video quality is good or not, because here I have to check that. And if it is good, so please tell me in comment box, because there was one problem coming, like my net connection was not working, so because of that my stream disconnect, but sorry for that. Now we will be just starting again with these things here. So now here we will be just working again. So till here I hope you understand all things which we have defined here. So now I'll be taking it to 1080p. So now our stream quality is good, if I think. Okay, so comment me immediately like stream quality everything is good or not, because I have to just see your all comments. Okay, so just comment me. So here now it is just working. So now I'll be just doing one thing, like I will be minimizing that, going to my VS Code, and sorry about that because here my internet interrupt again. So here now it is working good. So I'll be going to app.js file again. Then here I will be copying a view tag here, which is just written by pressing Ctrl C. Okay, so just Ctrl Z, you have to press Ctrl C, then go to app.css file here, and till here if I just go to my right here, then if I go to live streaming, okay, so here I'll be just opening that. Okay, so it is working. If I just show you, okay, so yeah, it is. So here till here we have just understanding that all things. Now I will be just opening that, and here we are also getting many other things. Okay, so when you're done with that all things, so just okay, so here I will be doing one thing, like I'll be just going here, and here the title is coming off like Instagram clone. I have to just check that. Title is coming off Airbnb, not Instagram. It is Airbnb if I show you. Okay, yes it is. So I have to just change that here. So now it is good. So sorry about that again with the net connection problem here. So here I'll be taking that here, then here I'll be also doing like these things. Now here I will be just, when you've done with that things, you have to do nothing, just press save option, and now it is good to go. So now I think the title and everything is changed, so just tell me in the comment box. Okay, so here I'll be coming, and here, okay, so do you remember me? Yes. Then because graphic comment your quality is okay and sound is okay. So Bilal Ahmed comment like, can you tell your PC specifications? Okay, so here now I will be minimizing that here, and I will be just doing one thing, like here when you've done that, just I will be coming here, and I will be writing here like I will be just now writing here, like here I will be coming, and underneath I will be just coming, and I'll be going to talk. Okay, so now I think my title has been changed here. It was just coming Instagram now, so here it is now coming Airbnb. So just tell me it is coming Airbnb or Instagram again. Okay, so I think it is now Airbnb here. So just tell me in the comment box here. Okay, so title has changed. Okay, so yes, it is good. Yes, it is changed. Thank you. Okay, so here now if I just do one thing, like I will be minimizing that, going and minimizing here. Then here I will be just doing one thing, here I will be just coming, go to app.js file again. Then here I will be doing one thing, like I will be copying this quality, means here I'll be copying this view tag here, copy that by pressing, then I'll be going to top. So till start we have defined, so I'll be just coming underneath and writing like dot, and paste my class name which I have just copied. And here first of all I'll be going to app.js file, and here I will be just copying that here, then go to app.css, write dot, paste it, and then here it is written another, like I'll be writing here justify content which should be in center. Then I will be writing another thing which should be align items in center, create display which should be of block, and create text align in center. And I will be writing another thing which should be float into left, and create box sizing which should be border box. So here I'll be writing that. Now when you've done that, just I'll be writing font style normal, and here I'll be also writing text justify which should be inherit, but the spelling is incorrect, so I'll be taking that to like, and here I'll be just coming in that, then I'll be writing like that things here. Then when you've done that, just I will be coming here, creating border one pick solid white, create border color which should be white here, so I'll be writing that. Then create color which should be black, so here I'll be writing that. Then when you've done that, just I'll be writing border radius 10 pixel, create border left which should be 100 pixel, then I will be writing like border right, which should be 100 pixel. Then when you've done that, now I will be writing here like border top, which should be 100 pixel. Create border bottom now. So here I'll be writing that, which should be now 100 pixels. So I will be just writing that here. So when you've done with that, I will be coming underneath create border style none. Then I will be writing here like border, and I'll be changing that to border width 100 pixel. Create line height now, which should be 100 pixel. Then when you've done that, I'll be writing width 100 pixel. Create height, which should also be 100 pixel. Then I'll be coming underneath create border none, and I'll be writing outline none. And here when you've done with that things here, I will be coming here create another tag, which should be flex direction column. So when you've done with that, I'll be writing now flex wrap, which should be wrap reverse. So here I'll be writing it correctly. So right here flex wrap, which should be wrap reverse. So when you've done with that all things, so I'll be coming underneath create flex flow. So here I will be writing another thing like flex flow column. Then I'll be writing flex basis, which should be content. Then I'll be writing flex right here like flex grow inherit. Then I will be writing here flex shrink inherit. Then I'll be writing direction, which should be inherit. Then I will be coming underneath here writing here background, which should be like white. So I'll be writing that. Okay, so here I'll be writing background color white. Then here I'll be also writing another thing like background positions. Here I'll be writing that, which should be in center. Then when you've done with that all things, I will be writing background position X. So here I will be writing like background position dash X, which should be in center. So here I will be doing one thing like background position Y. So here I'll be writing background position dash Y, which should be in center. Now here I will be just hitting save here, and when you've done with that all, just you have to save. Okay, so now it is done. So I'll be going to like live streaming coming here. Okay, so here just I will be doing one thing like I'll be going to edit, and here the clone I'll be changing here to Untitled 4. Then when you've done with that things, you have to just hit save. And now check the thumbnail, it is perfect because my thumbnails was just having a problem in that. So now if I just check you, so just check that thumbnail is perfect or not, and then tell me in comment box here, because I have to just wait till your okay. So RBK, you have to comment like your thumbnail is not changed, thumbnail is Instagram, please change. Okay, so now I have just changed here, so just check me and tell me about like it is now Airbnb or not. And I will be doing one thing here like I will be now minimizing here again. Now when you've done that, just I will be opening here, and it is just perfect. Now we are just having a good live stream till here. So here when you've done with that all, just I'll be moving forward and coming underneath, going to top again. So till view we have defined, so just go, and here I'll be going to app.js file and copy this quality which we have just written by pressing backspace here. Then press Ctrl C, and here I will be doing one thing like I'll be just coming here again, and I'll be just doing like that. So here now I think like thumbnail is changed here, so tell me in the comment box. Okay, so it is still not changed. Okay, so I will be doing one thing like I will be just going here, and I'll be opening my YouTube and opening from here. And here when you've done with that things, here just I will be doing one thing like I will be just opening here. So now it is changed. I think my thumbnail is now changed. If I just having that, it is changed here. There is coming changed in my, but here I will be opening that again and checking here by going in my live, and it is changed. It is coming change in my, but here if you don't having, so here I am having is changed. Okay, so here I'll be just uploading again and check, open and save. Okay, so now it is perfect I think. So just check and tell me about now it is perfect or not. Here I will be doing one thing like I'll be minimizing that, and tell me now it is perfect. So just tell me like thumbnail is now changed or not, because here I have to just wait. RBK's graphic again and again commenting here like yes come. Okay, so thank you. Then RBK's graphic comment like this emoji, thanks. Then I'll be going to top here, going down in a, and here and I will be minimizing that, and I will be just going here and go to here, and it is perfect I think. Now here I will be just coming underneath, and if I go to app.css, we are defining view here. So here we have defined, if I just scroll down. Okay, so now we have to define view. So I'll be coming here, creating here like background, and I'll be writing background size cover, create background attachment. So here I'll be writing that which should be fixed here. So when you've done with that all things, so I will be coming here and writing here like background clip which should be content box. Then here you have to also write like background origin which should be content box. Then I will be writing here like background blend mode color burn. So I'll be writing background blend mode color burn, or you can write background repeat. So here I'll be writing background repeat which should be repeat. So when you've done with that things here, I will be doing one thing here, like I'll be coming underneath and I'll be writing background image which should be having the URL, and in that URL I will be writing background, and simply I will be going to top and check. So background 5.jpg I will be writing. So write that, and here I'll be closing that, coming underneath creating nav index current. Then here I'll be also writing like nav left current, and here I will be writing nav right current, create nav up current, and also create a tag which should be nav down current. So when you've done with that, just I will be coming here creating padding now which should be 12 pixel, create padding left which should be 12 pixel, and I will be also creating like padding right which should be 12 pixel, and create a tag which should be like padding top 12 pixel, and in the end I'll be creating padding bottom. Okay, so just create padding bottom 12 pixels. So when you've done with that things, I'll be coming and creating margin 10 pixel, create margin left which should be 10 pixel, and I'll be also creating like margin right 10 pixel, and create margin top 10 pixel, and create a tag which should be margin bottom 10 pixel. So till here I hope you understand that. Then I'll be saving here, and now it is good to go. If I just show, okay, so now it is perfect. So I'll be going that and check and tell me again like if there is coming any problem in my live stream. I will be just given a question, so just you can ask any answer again. Okay, so Ishwal company, your net connection is problem, but carry on, great work. Okay, so thank you. So I'm telling you again, like previous live stream was just having the internet connection, so because of that I can't do that, and there was error again coming. So because of that my stream was just disconnect previously. So just don't care about that, we have to just focus on our work. So I'll be now minimizing here. Then you have to just do one thing, go to app.js file, and here first of all I'll be going to app.css, and I will be just coming here and writing, I will be copying this quality here. Then I will be just coming underneath and I'll be writing dot, pasting that. Then I'll be coming underneath here and writing here like just here I will be just coming creating justify content which should be center. Then I will be writing align items which should be in center, create a tag which should be display of block, create float into left, and I will be writing that to box sizing which should be border box. Then I'll be writing font style, but here first of all I will be coming and I'll be writing here another thing which should be font style normal, and here I'll be writing tag justify which should be inherit. Then when you've done with that things, I'll be coming underneath create background, but here I will be not creating that thing. Here I'll be first of all creating font size, create font weight also which should be 500, create font family which should be containing the font family of Montserrat and sans serif. Come underneath create one pic solid white which should be of border, create border color which should be white here. Then I will be coming here and writing border and create border radius 10 pixel. Then I will be writing here like border left 100 pixel, then create border right which should be 100 pixel, and I will be also writing like border top which should be 100 pixel here. Then when you're done with that, so I'll be writing border bottom which should be 100 pixel now. So when you've done with that all things, so I'll be coming here creating border style none. Then I will be writing here like border change into border width which should be 100 pixels. So when you've done with that thing, create line height 100 pixel, then you have to create width 100 pixel, create height. Okay, so first of all I'll be creating this, create height 100 pixel now. So when you've done that, so I'll be coming here and creating border none. Simply I will be writing here create outline none. So here I'll be writing outline none, and I will be also creating list style none. So here we have to just write list style type should also be none. So till here I hope you understand. Now we can just take some break and drink some water, or you can also eat snacks, because here we have just writing these codes till like half, means 1.5 hours. So we can just take some rest to just do that, and just you can drink water like I am drinking, and you can also talk about like in comment box. I'll be just talking about you, and I'll be just also commenting. I just want your comment, so just support me and please commenting me again and again. So please, I want your comments and I want your support so I can just make many clones in future also. So just comment me again. So I want your comments. Okay, so here, so there are not new comments coming here, so please comment me here, then I will be minimizing. Until list style we have defined, so I'll be coming here creating flex direction, which should be column, then I'll be writing flex wrap, which should be wrap reverse. Then when you've done that, just I'll be writing flex flow, so I'll be writing like flex flow column, then I'll be writing flex, change it to flex basis content, create flex, and I'll be changing that to flex grow, inherit, create flex shrink. Okay, so I'll be writing here like flex shrink inherit, then I'll be writing here like direction, which will be inherit. So here when you've done with that all things, so I'll be coming underneath and writing here like background and changing that to like white, then I'll be changing here to like background color white. So here I'll be writing, so when you've done with that things, I'll be coming here creating background position, which will be in center, create background position X. So here I'll be writing that, which should be in center. So when you've done that, just I'll be writing background position dash Y, which will be in center. Then I will be coming underneath create background clip, which will be content box. Then I'll be writing background origin, which will be content box. Then create background size, which will be cover. And I will be also writing like background attachment, which will be fixed. So I'll be writing that here. So here when you've done with that things, I'll be coming underneath create background repeat, which will be repeat, and I'll be creating background blend mode. Okay, so I'll be writing background blend mode color burn. So when you've done with that things, I'll be coming underneath create background image, which will be having the URL of like background, and I'll be changing this to like background 4.jpg. So I'll be first of all going to top, and this is background 5, so I'll be defining that 6, and then I'll be closing that, coming underneath create nav index current. Then I will be just writing here like nav left current, and I will be also writing like nav right current. Then you can also create nav up, which should be current. Now when you've done with that things, here I will be coming underneath creating nav down current. So here I'll be writing, so here when you've done with that things, come underneath here create a tag, which will be just having padding of 10 pixel, create padding left. So here I'll be writing that 10 pixel. Then I will be writing like padding right, so here I'll be writing padding right 10 pixel. So when you've done with that thing, so I'll be now writing padding top 10 pixel here. So when you've done that, just I will be coming here creating padding bottom 10 pixel here. So I'll be coming underneath create margin 11 pixel, create margin left 11 pixel, and I will be also writing another thing, which will be margin right 11 pixel. So there is one problem, like I'll be changing 2D, because in padding there come 2D here. Then I'll be writing margin top 11 pixel, create margin bottom, which should be 11 pixel here. So here when you're done with that all thing, just I will be saving here by pressing save button, and now it is good to go. So when you define that all thing, just you have to do nothing, just go in the last, and just you have to come underneath here, go here right dot, and here just you have to do one thing, like you have to go to app.js file, and you can see till quality we have defined. So we can just copy this query tag, which is just written by pressing Ctrl C, go to app.css. First of all I'll be going to top and paste that here. Then I'll be coming underneath creating justify content center, create align items center. Then here I'll be also writing like display, which should be of block, create text align center. Then I will be also writing float into left, create box sizing, which should be center. So here I'll be writing box sizing a border box here. So now when you've done that, just I'll be coming underneath create font style normal. Then I'll be writing text justify inherit. Then I will be coming underneath creating font size, which should be like just I'll be changing that to 14 pixel. Then here you have to create font weight, which should be 500, create font family, which should be like Mont Serif here, and I'll be writing comma sans serif. So when you've done with that things there, so I'll be coming underneath create border 1 pixel solid white. Then here I'll be writing border color white. Then I'll be coming here creating color black, create border radius, and I'll be writing border radius, which should be 10 pixel. Then create a tag, which should be like border left 100 pixel. Then create border right, which should be 100 pixel. And when you're done with that things there, I'll be writing border top 100 pixel here. Then I'll be writing border bottom, so I'll be writing that 100 pixel. So when you've done that, just I'll be now writing border width 100 pixel here. Then create border style, which should be 100 pixel, means border style none. Then when you've done that, I'll be creating line height, which should be 100 pixels. Then I will be creating another tag which should be width 100 pixel. Then I'll be writing height 100 pixel. Then I'll be coming underneath create border none, create outline none. Then I'll be writing list style none. So when you've done that, just I'll be coming here creating list style type none. So here I'll be writing that. When you've done that, just I'll be now writing flex direction, which should be column. So I'll be writing here. Then I'll be writing flex wrap, which should be wrap reverse. So when you've done that, just I will be doing one thing again, like flex flow column. Then I'll be writing flex spaces, which should be content. Then I'll be writing flex grow inherit. Then I'll be also writing flex shrink inherit. Then I'll be coming underneath create direction inherit here. Then I'll be coming here creating background, which should be white. Then I'll be writing here like background color, which should be white here. So I'll be writing that. Now when you've done with that all things, so I'll be writing background position, which should be in center. Then here I'll be writing background position y. So here I'll be writing background position dash x now, which should be in center. Then I'll be writing background position y. So here I'll be writing that like background position y, which should be in center. So when you've done with that all things, so I'll be coming underneath create background, and I'll be changing that to like background size cover. And I'll be writing like background attachment, which should be fixed. So here I'll be writing that. So when you've done with that thing, here I'll be coming underneath here creating that to like background repeat, which should be repeat. Then I will be doing one thing again, like coming underneath create background blend mode, which should be color burn. So I'll be writing here. So when you've done with that things, I will be doing one thing, like coming underneath create background image, which should be having the URL of like background7.jpg. So create here, close here, and you have to do like that, close like that. So I'll be going to top, so background 6 I have defined. Come underneath create nav index current. Then when you've done with that all things, so I'll be writing nav left current, and I will be also writing like nav right current. Then when you've done with that all things, so I'll be writing nav up current. So create here. Then when you've done that, so I'll be writing nav down, which will be current. So when you've done with that all things, so I'll be coming underneath here creating padding, which should be 12 pixel, create padding left, which should be 12 pixel. Then I will be writing again, which should be like padding right, which will be 12 pixel, and I will be writing padding top. Okay, so I'll be writing here like padding top 12 pixel and create padding bottom. So I'll be writing that to 12 pixel. Now when I'm done with that thing, so I'll be coming here creating margin 11 pixel, create margin left. So here I'll be writing that, which will be 11 pixels. So here I will be writing this. Then when you've done that, I'll be writing margin right 11 pixel, create again, which should be like margin top 11 pixel, then create margin bottom. So here I'll be writing that, which should be 11 pixel again. So here when you've done with that all things, you have to do nothing, just you have to hit save from here. And now I will be checking some of the comments which you are just commenting by you. So just open my live chat, and many of the comment like coming. Okay, so Desal Roy comment like this emoji. Then TP Nodok 19 coming, welcome back. Okay, sorry because of the internet connection. Then Suresh Mehta comment like buddy carry on. Then Arbicus Cafe comment like that. And Preet Mulani comment, okay, no problem, carry on. Okay, so thank you. Then Preet Mulani again comment like this emoji. So thank you all to just commenting me like that. So I just like you all comments. So till here we are just getting this comment. So I want more comments from you, so I can just do these things. Then I'll be minimizing here, and just I'll be going to live streaming, checking that here. Okay, so till here our live stream is just working good. Then I will be going here and minimizing here also. Then when I'm done with that things here, I will be doing one thing now, like I will be just coming here, and I will be just coming here also. Then here when you've done that, just I will be doing one thing, like first of all I'll be going to app.js, copy this text class which is written by pressing Ctrl C, go to app.css file, and we have just linked that with Google Chrome. So I'll be pasting that here, and by pressing Ctrl B you can just close this panel which is of like this window like that by pressing Ctrl B. Now I'll be opening that, then write dot in the starting here, write this, and create here like justify content, which will be in center. Then create align items, which will be in center. Create display, which will be of block. And here when you've done with that thing, so I'll be writing text align center. So here when you've done with that all things, so I'll be writing another thing which should be float into left. So here when you've done that, so I'll be writing box sizing border box. Then I'll be coming here creating font style normal. So here when you've done that, so I'll be writing text justify inherit. Then when you've done that, I'll be writing font size 14 pixel. Then I'll be creating another tag which will be font weight 500. Create font family which will be like Mont Sirat. So here I'll be writing that which will be like comma sans serif. Then when you've done that, so I'll be coming here creating border one click solid white, and then I'll be writing border color which will be white, create color black. Then when you've done that, so I'll be writing border radius which will be 10 pixel. Then again I'll be writing like border left 100 pixel. Then create a tag which will be border right 100 pixel. Then when you've done that, I'll be writing border top 100 pixel. Create border bottom which will be 100 pixel now. So when you've done that, so I'll be writing here like border style none. Then here I'll be also writing another thing which will be border width 100 pixel. Create a tag which will be line height 100 pixel, and I will be writing width 100 pixel. Create height which will be 100 pixel now. So when you're done with that all things, so I'll be coming underneath create border none. Then here I'll be creating outline none. Then when you've done that, so I'll be writing list style none, and create a tag which will be list style. So I'll be writing list style type none. So when you've done that all this, I'll be writing flex direction column. Then I will be writing flex wrap which will be wrap reverse. So here I'll be writing that. So when you've done with that all things, so I'll be coming underneath create flex flow column. Then I'll be writing flex basis content. Then I'll be writing flex and change it to like flex grow now which will be inherit. Then when you've done with that all things, I'll be writing flex shrink which will be inherit. So here I will be writing that. So when you've done with that all, just I'll be writing inherit. Then I'll be coming underneath create direction which will be inherit. Then I'll be coming here also creating background which will be white. Create background color which will be white here. So when you've done that, now I'll be writing background position. So here I'll be writing like background position which will be in center. Then I'll be writing background position X. So here I'll be writing that which will be in center here. So when you've done with that all things, so I'll be coming underneath and creating that to like background position dash Y. So here I'll be writing like background position dash Y which will be in center. Okay, so when you've done with that thing, so I'll be writing like background clip which will be content box. Then I'll be writing background origin which will be content box. Then I'll be writing here like background blend mode which will be color burnt. Then I'll be writing here again which will be like background repeat which will be repeat. So here when you've done with that, so I'll be writing here background size which will be covered. So here you have to create here. Now when you've done that, so I'll be coming here creating background attachment which will be fixed. So here when you've done with that, so I'll be coming underneath create background image which will be having the URL of background 8.jpg. So close here. So when you've done with that, I'll be going to top. It is perfect. So I'll be coming underneath create nav index current. Then here I will be also writing another thing which will be like nav left current, and I'll be writing another thing which will be nav right current, and I will be writing here like nav up current, and create a tag which will be like nav down which will be current. So I'll be writing here. Now when you've done that, I'll be writing another thing which will be padding 15 pixel. Create padding left which will be 15 pixel, and padding right which will be 15 pixel, and I'll be also writing another thing which will be padding top 15 pixel, and I will be writing padding bottom which will be 15 pixel. Then I'll be writing margin 11 pixel. Create margin left which will be 11 pixel. So I'll be writing margin left 11 pixel here. Then create a tag which will be margin right 11 pixel, and I will be writing now margin top 11 pixel. Create margin bottom 11 pixel. So when you've done with that all thing, just I will be saving here and go to app.js file, copy this test class which we have written, go to app.css, and I will be coming underneath right dot paste my test class which I have just copied. Then I'll be writing curly brackets coming underneath creating justify content center. Then I'll be writing align items which will be in center. So just write here, then create display which will be of block. Then I will be also writing like text align in center. So when you've done with that things here, I'll be coming underneath create float into left, create box sizing. Okay, so I'll be writing box sizing border box here. So when you've done that all, just I'll be doing one thing like I'll be now writing font style normal. Then create text justify which will be inherit here. Then create font size which will be again like 14 pixel. then create font weight which should be 500 and create font family which should be font Sirat. Then I'll be writing comma sans serif. Now when you've done that, so I will be coming here creating border 1 pixel solid white. So I'll be writing border color which should be white, then I'll be writing color which should be black here. So when you've done with that, so I will be now writing border radius 10 pixel, create border left which should be 100 pixel. Then when you've done that, I'll be writing border right which should be 100 pixel, create a tag which should be having border top 100 pixel. Then I will be writing border bottom which should be 100 pixel. So here I'll be writing that. Now when you've done that, so I'll be coming underneath create border style none, and I'll be also writing like border width 100 pixel. Then when you've done with that all things, so I'll be coming here and creating line height which should be 100 pixel. Then I will be writing like width 100 pixel. Now so when you've done that, I'll be creating height 100 pixel. Then here when you've done with that all things, so I'll be now coming underneath creating border which should be none. Then I'll be writing outline none, create another tag which should be list style none. Then I'll be writing list style type none. So when you've done that, so I'll be writing flex direction column. So I'll be writing here. Then here when you've done that, so I'll be writing flex wrap which should be wrap reverse. So I will be writing flex flow. So here I'll be writing flex flow column. Then here when you've done that, so I'll be writing flex spaces content, then create flex grow which should be inherit. Then I will be coming underneath create flex shrink inherit, create direction simply which should be inherit. So when you've done with that, so I'll be coming underneath create background white. Then I will be now writing like background color which should be white. And when you've done that, I'll be writing background position which should be in center. Then when you've done that, I'll be writing background position dash x which should be in center. Then I'll be writing background position dash y. So here I will be writing like background position dash y in center. So when you've done that, so I'll be writing like background size which should be covered. So here I'll be writing that. Now here when you've done with that all things, so I'll be coming underneath creating background attachment which should be fixed. Then I'll be writing again which should be like background, and here I will be changing this to like background blend mode which should be color burn. Now when you've done that, so I'll be writing here another thing which should be background origin. So here I'll be writing again like background origin which should be content box, create background clip content box here. Now when you've done with that all things, so I'll be coming underneath create background repeat which should be repeat. So here when you've done that, so I'll be coming underneath create background image which should be having the URL of like background 9.jpg. So here close that by writing this, and when you've done with that all things, I will be going to top, and till here we have defined here. So when you've done that, just I will be coming underneath and writing nav index which should be current. So I'll be writing that. Then I'll be also writing like nav left which should be current. So here you have to write. So when you've done with that all things, so I'll be coming underneath create nav right current, and when you've done that, I'll be writing nav up which should be current. So here when you've done with that all things, I'll be coming here also and just writing here like nav and changing this to like nav down which should be current. So when you've done with that, so I'll be coming here creating padding which should be 15 pixel, create padding left which should be 15 pixel. Then I'll be writing padding right 15 pixel, and I will be also writing like padding top which should be 15 pixel. So when you've done that all, just I'll be writing another thing which should be like padding bottom 15 pixel now. So when you've done that, now I will be writing here like margin which should be 10 pixel. Then I'll be writing here like margin left. So here I'll be writing that 10 pixel. Then I'll be writing margin right which should be 10 pixel. Then when you've done that, I'll be writing margin top 10 pixel here. Then create a tag which should be just having margin bottom which should be 10 pixel. So I'll be writing that. Now when you've done that all thing, just I will be going to file, then pressing save button. So now it is good. So when you've done with that all things, I'll be going to top, and when you've done with that all things, so I'll be saving here, and it is perfect. So just if I go to app.js file here, and we are not getting any of the things, so I'll be coming here creating area, then create a view tag here. In that I'll be creating text, then you have to close that, come here, write media dot end, and I'll be writing test, close here. Then you have to do one thing, come underneath create media now. So I'll be writing media query equal view. Then you have to do like close that here, come in here and write again which should be start, means we have written. So I'll be writing new and I'll be writing pic. Then I'll be just writing just you can write here like text. If I write then close, then I'll be coming underneath creating query, and I'll be writing media. In that I'll be just writing query tag again, close here. Then you have to just come here again, write query dot quality. Then here I'll be changing that to like new, or you can just write here like area I will be writing. Then you have to just close that by writing this, and you have to come underneath create a tag which should be like quality. Then here I will be writing like query again. Then in that I'll be writing a media tag, closed here. Okay, so just erase that, close. Then in that I will be creating a tag which should be just having a test dot area. So here I'll be writing that. Then I'll be writing dot media, or you can also write dot quality with that and dot query. So here you have to close this tag by writing this text which we have written. Now when you've done that all, just you have to do one thing, like you have to come here, do nothing, just save here also, and it is perfect I think now. So when you've done that all, just I will be doing one thing like coming underneath here and writing here media. Okay, so here it is do. So here you can just write like that, and you can also write query in that, then equal to, I'll be just writing pic, and here you can just write like that. So when you've done that, close here. Then you have to just come here, write here test dot text, and here I will be just writing another thing which will be query dot quality here. Then you have to just do like that. So when you've done that, save here, and it is perfect. Now if I just go to my live stream here and show you, okay, so now it is working good here. If I just show, okay, so we are just having 12 likes and stream is also working. Now I will be just showing you the comments what is just come here. We have to just check that all. Open comment box. Okay, so every comments are coming. Okay, so just really good comments. Okay, so thank you all. If I just go to the top, and here there is coming like that Chris Harrison comment, I can't believe it, how code is memorized in his kid. Okay, so thank you, memorize. Then here I'm a comment like that, and Maria Faraz comment hello inshallah. Okay, so hello to you, all of you who are just new here. Then here we are just having the comment like codes are not zoom clear, codes are not zoom and clear. So I'll be zoom in here so you can see. Now I think codes are just clear. Just tell me in comment box now codes are clear or not, so I can just zoom in again if you want to. Then here we are just getting many other comments. Okay, so thank you all to just commenting like that. Okay, so when you've done with that all things, so I will be just doing one thing like I'll be minimizing here, and it is good to go. So I'll be just coming underneath here and writing here like pic, and I'll be just writing here like quality equal. Then you have to just write here navbar, and here I'll be doing like navbar, and I'll be just writing here dot and dot start. Then I'll be doing one thing like I'll be closing and doing like that. So when you've done that all things, save here, and it's perfect. So when you've done that all things here, so when you've done that all, just I'll be going to app.css, and here I will be just doing one thing like going to top, perfect, and here it is do. Go to here, and here I'll be doing one thing till text we have defined. Copy this view, go to app.css here, then you can just come here, paste here, and you can just write another thing like justify content in center. Then I'll be writing align items in center, create display which should be of block, or you can also write another thing which should be text align in center. So when you've done with that thing, so I'll be coming underneath create float into left and create a tag which should be like box sizing border box. So here when you've done that, just I'll be writing font style normal. So here I'll be writing, so when you've done that, I'll be writing text justify which should be inherit here. So I'll be just writing font size 14 pixel, create font weight which should be like 600. Then I'll be writing font family which should be Mont Serif, right comma sans serif. Then I will be just coming underneath here, create border 1 pixel solid white. Then I'll be writing like border color which should be white. Then here when you've done that, I'll be writing color which should be black, create border radius 10 pixel here. So here when you've done with that all things, so here I'll be writing like border left 100 pixel. Then create a tag which will be just having border right 100 pixel. Then when you've done that all, just I'll be writing border top 100 pixel, create border bottom. So here I'll be writing that 100 pixel. Then when you've done with that all things, so here I will be coming underneath create border style none, and here I'll be writing like border width. So here I'll be writing that 100 pixel, create line height 100 pixel, and create width 100 pixel, then I will be creating height which should be 100 pixel. Now so when you've done that, I will be writing border none, and here I'll be also writing outline none. So here create outline none. So when you've done that, just I'll be writing list style none, and here I'll be writing list style type none. So here I'll be writing list style type none. So when you've done that, just I'll be writing flex direction column, and when you've done that, just I'll be writing flex wrap reverse. So here I will be writing flex flow column, create flex basis. So here I'll be writing like flex basis. So here I'll be just writing like flex basis which should be content, create flex group, inherit. Then here when you've done that all things, so I'll be writing flex string, inherit, create direction which should be inherit here. So when you've done with that also, I'll be coming here creating background now which should be white. Then I will be now writing like background color which should be white, and when you've done that, so I'll be writing background position which should be in center. Then I will be writing here like background position X which should be in center. Now here when you've done that, so I'll be writing background position dash Y which should be in center. So here I will be also writing like background size cover, and when you've done with that all things, so I'll be writing like background attachment which should be like fixed. So here I will be also writing another thing which should be background clip content box. Then I'll be writing like background origin which should be content box. Then when you've done that, I'll be writing like background repeat which should be repeat, and here I'll be writing background blend mode which should be color burn. So when you've done that all things, so I'll be doing one thing like coming underneath here and writing another thing which should be like background, and here when you've done that also, I'll be writing here like background and changing it to like background image which should be having the URL of like background, and changing to like background.png here. So just write that. Then you have to close that command and you create nav index current. Then I will be writing like nav left current, and you can also create like nav right current, and you can also create like nav up current, and create another tag which will be nav down current. So when you've done that, so I'll be doing one thing like coming underneath here, creating padding now which should be 15 pixel, create padding left which should be 15 pixel. Then I'll be writing padding right 15 pixel, create padding top which should be 15 pixel, and I will be also writing like padding bottom which should be 15 pixel now. So here I'll be just coming here and writing like that. So I'll be coming forward, creating margin which should be 11 pixel, create margin left which should be 11 pixel here. So when you've done with that things, I'll be writing margin right 11 pixel, and when you've done that, I'll be writing margin top 11 pixel, then create margin bottom which should be 11 pixel. So now here if I just show you in Google Chrome, which we should be just creating our Airbnb clone which we have just made in here. So just save that, and if I show you, because here I've just linked with that Google Chrome, and now you can see that our Airbnb clone is ready. So I've just linked this Opera browser with my this Airbnb clone which I have just made, and you can see how good looking is our Airbnb clone. You can see that. So we are just getting the heading of that, so I'm just only getting the logo. You can see we are not getting, because I have just only put the logo, I don't write anything in front of that. And previously in demo 1 we are just having this like logo, and we are also getting Airbnb written in the front of that. So you can see we are also getting location, check-in dates, experiences, online experiences. If I press, you can see this is also having. If I just go here and press sign up, so you can see sign up page, this will be asking your number, you can write, and you can also continue Facebook, Google. If you have Apple account, you can also do, and you can also continue with email if you are just having account in that, and you can log in like writing your number which you have just written in sign up. Then you can also log in with Facebook, Google or Apple if you just have. So I'll be closing that here, and you can see we have just successfully made. We are also getting location, check-in date, check-out dates, guest, which if you want to become guest, so you can also do it, or if you want to become host, you can also become here. So if I scroll down, you can see it will be showing all the places which are just nearby of you. So Karachi, Jatti, Mithi, like that, all the places are showing here. And when you will be just living in any country, so here it will be also showing the places nearby that, like my showing Karachi here, because here I just live in Pakistan, so because of that. And then here there is coming like live anywhere. You can see that it is saying live anywhere. We will be just getting all the location of your here, or you can also live anywhere from here also, like that. You can also become a host or do things like that. Then there are also countries countries and cities underneath, you can see, and there is also the copyright section which we have just made here, and then social media icons here, then privacy term and sitemap. So you can also just link that here, and we are also having a box shadow at the back of that. We have just put the hover effect on that, so like that you can just build your own Airbnb clone in React.js. So I hope you understand this clone, and I hope you also enjoyed this clone like an enjoyable previous clone of React.js. So just practice these all clones we are working with, and I hope we will be a good programmer of React.js, also like your of React Native, React.js previous one, and Python, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And I hope you are enjoying my previous clones also, like Instagram, Facebook, React Native of Netflix. Then previously I have also made like Messenger, Mind clone. So I hope you'll enjoy all the previous one, and I hope you also enjoyed this one of Airbnb clone also. So just there was one connection error in this Airbnb clone, but just forgot that. Then next time it will be not having any of the correction error, because previously it was not having any of the connection error like that. My net was just gone, so because of that correction error is coming, but don't care about that. Here it will be just gone some of the time. So just practice that all project we are working with, then I hope you will be a good programmer of that. And I will be also uploading Python and Node.js tutorial, so wait for that also in the future, and I hope it will be also helping you, because in that I am just adding more new feature and advanced feature from previous one which I have just uploaded. So just I will be meeting you next clone or project. So for today, good bye.